Good morning. This is Seema, your social teacher. Welcome back to our next session. Okay, I hope you have understood about two videos of your first session. Have you understood, children? Yes. If you have any doubt, you just call up and ask me. Okay. Then shall we have recap of our first chapter, children? Yes, we will have recap of that. We have seen 4 topics under it, no? Yes, we have seen 4 topics under our first chapter. Say me, what was our first chapter? Yes, it is role of family. Yes or no? We have seen lot about and we have discussed lot about our family. Yes or no? So, our first topic was different kinds of family. Okay, our families are different, no children? Yes. And here also we have seen 2 kinds of family of Zoyas and Arjun. Where the families are different or same, children? Yes, it was different. Yes or no? Then we have seen the second topic. It is looking similar or different from our family members. And also I have given you an activity also, no? Which is related to this. Yes, we will discuss about the activity at last. Okay. What example we have seen in this topic, children? Yes, we have seen Shahil's family. Yes or no? Shahil and his brother, how they are looking similar and different from their parent. Yes or no? Who was looking like Shahil's mother, children? Yes, Shahil was looking like his mother and his brother was looking like his father. Yes or no? Okay, you have understood. I hope you have understood well. Yes, and our third topic is about relationship. Yes or no? Keeping good relationship in our family. Yes or no? Relationship, based on the relationship only, happiness will be in our family. Isn't it, children? When your father and mother are fighting each other, your family will be happy? No. And also for this we have seen one story of Karan. Yes or no? Yes. What was the reason, children, why Karan could not prepare for his exam? Yes, there was a problem in his family of his father. Because of his father. He lost one of the office paper, so he was shouting towards his mother. So Karan, afraid of that, because of that he could not read for his tomorrow's exam. Yes or no? We have to have a good situation, pleasant situation in our family to do our regular work. Okay, then only we will be enjoying with our family members. Okay, then our last topic is about taking care of sick and elderly. Okay, are you all taking care of your elders of your family, children? Yes, we have to take care. Okay, we must take care of them when they are sick and elders, any elders in your family. Okay. And also I have given you an activity in a previous session. Have you completed, children? The activity what I have given you? What activity I have given you? Yes, I have given you an activity to ask your parent and find out in which kind of family they lived and how was their days. Okay, how was their childhood days, how they spent. Okay, you ask all these details and note it down in your note. Okay, I hope all of you have completed. Okay, now I have come with another chapter is work and play. What is your second chapter, children? Yes, it is work and play. Okay. What's our chapter, children? Is work and play. Okay. Yes. food, water, then shelter, everything. Right? To meet all these things we must work. Yes or no, children? We must work. Yes. So about a chapter work and play we are going to discuss now. Okay. Before going to the chapter, let me ask you some questions, children. Who will do your household work at your home? Yes, mostly your mom will be doing that. Yes or no? And in some other family, all the family members will be sharing the work. Okay, all the family members will be doing the household work. And in some other family, only your mother will be doing that. Which will be good, children? Sharing the household works will be good, or doing one by oneself is good? Yes. Sharing the household work will be good and comfortable to do all the things. Okay. And say about your family, what are the works will be can be done by men of the family, and what are the works can be done by women of the family? Yes, you can see about your father. What are the works can be done by your father, children? Yes, he can buy newspapers. Okay, and he can buy milk from the milk booth. Okay, and he can play with you. Yes or no? And also he can drop you in the bus stop when you are going to school, and also he can purchase vegetables. Yes or no? So these are the works can be done by men. Okay, what are the works can be done by women of the family? Yes, and main thing is cooking. Yes or no? Cooking can be done by women, and washing clothes, keeping a house clean by mopping and sweeping, okay, and washing clothes and ironing that. So these are the works will be done by women. Okay, what can be done by you, children? Are you doing any work at home? Yes, most of you, yes, you all good, right? You will be helping your mom, right? You are doing, yes or no? Yes. You can help your parent by doing when they are doing all these works. Okay. Will you help? Yes. Are you helping? Yes. Okay. So these are the works is must. So household works are important to do in our life. Yes or no? So somebody will be enjoying to do this. How many of you will be enjoying by helping your mom in her household work? Yes, many of you. Many of you, when you used to help your mom. Yes or no? By cutting no. You should not cut vegetables, right? You are kid. Okay. Then by setting table for breakfast. Okay, and by sweeping house, okay, and dusting out the tables and putting your bed covers. Okay, so by getting ready by yourself, okay, and having your food by yourself. So by these things you can help your parent. Okay, so some people will be enjoying to do this work, but some people will hire some other people to do all these things. Okay, let us discuss these things with one story, children. Okay, we are going to see about Diya's family. Okay, whose family we are going to see, children? Yes, Diya's family. And we will see how in her family they are sharing their household works. Okay, in about whose family we are going to see, children? Is Diya's family. Okay, in Diya's family there are grandparent, parent, and Diya and her brother. Okay, her brother is Deepak. What's his brother's name? Deepak. Who are there in Diya's family? Parent, father, mother, and grandpa. And grandma. Here in Dia's family, they used to share the household works. Okay, in Dia's family, Dia's father and mother both are working. Okay, let us see how Dia and her family members are helping Dia's mother in household chores. Okay. Dia's mother is the first person to wake up. Okay, yes, now in your family also mother will be waking up as a first person and also earlier. Yes or no, children? Yes, a mother is a person to wake up earlier, and also she will be a first person to wake up. In Dia's family also the same. Okay, she wakes up fast and she will take out the garbage, and she uses to prepare tea for her Dia's father and to her grandfather and to her grandmother. Okay, and after preparing tea, Dia also her mother used to go to wake up Dia and Deepak with a cup of milk. Okay, then after that she will come to kitchen to prepare breakfast and tiffin for her family members. Okay, in that time Dia and Deepak used to wake up, and they used to take bath, and they will dress up themselves. Okay, dressing up yourself is good, or expecting others to do it is good, children? Yes, you have to dress up yourself. Okay, you should not depend on your parent or grandparent to do that work. Okay, so here Dia and Dia's brother used to dress up themselves, and then her grandpa used to take them to the school. While coming back to the house, Dia's grandpa used to purchase vegetables. Okay, and Dia's father uses to buy milk from milk booth. Okay, and after that and Dia's father and mother used to leaves the house for the job. And her grandma is she will be cooking lunch. Okay, she will be preparing lunch for her family, and also snacks for Dia and Deepak. Okay, who will be cooking lunch, children? Yes, Dia's grandma, and grandma will prepare lunch and snacks for them. Okay, then after in the evening they will be coming back from the school. Okay, Dia and Deepak will be coming back from the school, and they used to complete their homeworks, and also after completing they used to play. Okay, they used to play in the evening at 6 o'clock. Her mother and father used to come back from the office, and after coming back from the office, Dia's father used to play with them. Okay, after they coming back from the office, Dia's father used to play with Deepak and Dia. Okay, and Dia's mother, usually she prepares dinner. Okay, her mother prepares dinner, and Dia used to set table for the dinner. Okay, and after completing the dinner, Deepak used to set back the table. Okay, set back the table, clear it. Okay, he helps his mother in clearing the table. Okay, and Dia's mother used to switches off the lights, and while sleeping after the dinner, Dia's granny used to say some stories. Okay, and like this the day is for Diya's family, children. Have you understood? Have you understood about the story, children? Have you listened what are the different works shared by Diya's family members? Yes, it is good to hear, no? Yes. If it is like this in your family also, it will be good or bad, children? Yes, it will be good to your mom. Okay. She is working and also she has to does work in home, no? Household chores also she has to do, no? So help your mom. Try to share works with her. Okay. So now you say me, children, list out the jobs shared by Diya's family members. Yes. Say me. What is the work Diya does, children? Yes. Diya used to dress up herself and she used to play. Yes or no? And she also sets the table for dinner. What are the works done by Diya? Yes. Dress up and play and complete homework. And she did homework. And by Deepak, yes, he used to dress up himself and he used to play. Then he used to complete the homework by himself. Okay, what was the work done by Diya's father, children? Yes, he used to buy milk, no? Yes, buys milk. He used to buy milk and play with children. Yes. Then what was the work done by Diya's mother, children? Yes. Diya's mother used to prepare breakfast and dinner and many things. Yes, many things she had done. Okay, like preparing tea for his her family members, and cleans up the washing the dishes and clothes and many works. Okay, keeping kitchen clean. Okay. Diya's mother does many work. Okay, and grandpa used to leave children in bus stop and buys vegetables. Okay. Then her grandma prepared lunch and say story. Okay. So these are the different household works shared by Diya's family members. Okay. So except this, we have many works, children. We have many works to do at home. What are they? Yes, we have some works to be done daily. Okay, and some of the works can be done once in a week or twice in the week. What are the works can be done daily? Yes, when we are cooking food daily, we are cleaning fridge once in a week, yes or no? And we are putting beds daily, but we are washing bed covers once in a week. Okay, once in a week or twice in a week. Like this, we have many jobs which can be done daily and which can be done twice in a week or once in a week. And say me children, what are the works done? What are the works your family members are doing at your home? Yes, listen. Yes, the major is cooking, right children? Yes, cooking will be done by your mom, right? And what are the works children? Yes, washing clothes, then washing dishes, then sweeping, then dusts chairs and tables, then watering the plants. Yes children, these are few works which you are doing at your home, which your family members are doing at your home. Yes, what are the work children? Washing clothes, washing dishes, then sweeping, watering water the plants, then dust chair and tables. Besides this, there are many works which we are doing at home. Okay, and there are many works which we can which we like to do. Yes, there are many works which we don't like to do, but we should do that. Okay, yes or no? It is important to do all the household chores. Okay, and if we stop doing household chores, what happens children? Yes, our house will become dirty and unorganized. Yes or no? Our house will become dirty and unorganized. Will you like to be at home in this case? If your house will become dirty, will you stay at home? No. So it is essential to do all the household works daily. Okay, and yes children, till now we have discussed the household chores which we are doing at our house. Yes or no? Have you understood? Yes, will you help your mother by doing household works? Yes, you have to help your mother. Okay, you have to share household works with your mom. Okay, that will be the good thing. Okay, okay, we will see the continuation of this chapter in our next session. Thank you.